Preparedness never goes to waste. The world is a chaotic place, and the only one you can depend on is yourself. For this reason, as a prepper, you always need to have gear that can ensure the survival of yourself and your loved ones. That brings us to today's video of Doomsday survival gear and gadgets preppers should have. All the information about the gadgets is provided in the video description, including the price. Let us get right to it. You might be the kind of person who doesn't like regular emergency tents, yet is looking for a different tent that comes with a full perimeter tub floor for additional splash protection. We got the Slingfin SplitWing mesh body tent on this list. This ultralight bug shelter is designed to mesh perfectly with the SplitWing tarp, but also shines on its own or with other tarps. It stays attached to the SplitWing, ensuring a dry pitch every time, and shields you from bugs and unwanted critters. Features include straight zippers for durability, a robust PE-coated 20D ripstop floor, and a spacious stuff sack for easy storage. With internal sealing O-rings for hanging gear, side pullouts for increased volume, and an 11 ounces or 332 grams weight, it's roomy enough for one, but can accommodate 2 hardcore UL hikers if needed. Ideal for through hikes, it's your go-to for modular and versatile ultralight camping. Clean water is crucial in any survival situation, and access to it will increase your survival tenfold. That is where the Grail Ultra Press comes in. It isn't just compact and easy to use, but it also ensures you're drinking safe, purified water wherever you are. It removes waterborne pathogens and is built from CP4 Grade 1 titanium, making it incredibly durable and lightweight. The laser-engraved topo art adds a sleek touch, but it's not just about looks. The OnePress global filtration system is award-winning for a reason. It's ridiculously easy to use. Just fill, press, and drink. Plus, it has a one-way silicone valve and a paracord D-ring loop, and it fits any cup holder. You can also use it to heat food and water, perfect for those cold nights. And with ultra-powdered activated carbon, it even handles heavy metals and chemicals. It's also drink mix ready, so you can add electrolytes or flavor without clogging the filter. While it comes to preparedness, very few can beat the Rhino Ready Companion V2 in this case. This is the most versatile emergency survival system built from the ground up, stocked with over 40 life-saving gears and gadgets we've seen so far. This bootstrap comes in a compact package of fire-resistant and waterproof 1200D microhex pack, featuring 6 custom modular components and Hippalon attachment points. Inside, you'll find essentials for warmth, tools, sight and air, light, comms, first aid, food, and water. From a 5-inch full tang blade, magnesium ferro rod, and multi-tool to N95 masks, reflective goggles, and a 100+ piece first aid kit, it's got you covered. The Companion V2 also includes a solar or crank radio flashlight, rechargeable flashlight, headlamp, Daytrex food rations, water filter, and a 1-liter stainless steel bottle. This pack ensures you're confident enough to handle anything, anywhere. When the situation gets tough, the Ultimate Survival Tips MSK1 can be the go-to solution for different survival situations. Built to tackle any challenge, this rugged 1/4-inch thick blade, crafted from black oxide-coated D, 2 semi-stainless steel promises durability with its razor-sharp, fine edge. Its design merges power and precision, featuring a tough clip point for piercing and a medium belly for versatile chopping and slicing. The handle boasts a natural feel with canvas micarta, front and rear guards, and a comfortable grip. What sets the MSK1 apart is its innovative survival kit stored in the handle, packed with essentials for fire starting, water purification, and more. With features like a fire steel striker, stainless steel bow drill divot, and lashing holes, it's designed for ultimate adaptability. Plus, the switchable nylon Kydex sheath offers versatile carry options. For a sharpened companion to survive any doomsday situation, this knife can be your most reliable tool. A fire starter is a must-have for any outdoorsman, and survival preppers know just how crucial it can be. With this in mind, we found the Wolf and Grizzly fire set. This handy tool ensures you can reliably ignite a fire in any condition, providing warmth, cooking food, purifying water, and signaling for help. Crafted from ferrocerium, this little stick is the best one when it comes to lighting fires. Weighing just 2.23 ounces, it's easy to carry, but packs a punch with big sparks every strike. It's designed to last a whopping 20000 strikes, making it far more durable than any typical matches or lighter. Plus, it generates sparks at a blazing 5,400 degrees Fahrenheit. ensuring you can start a fire on the first strike every time. The striker is made of high-quality knife steel, so you can sharpen it like any other blade. And for those emergency situations, the included paracord has jute tinder inside. Just cut it open, and it's ready to go. Whether you're camping, hiking, or just prepping for the unexpected, the Wolf and Grizzly fire set is the most reliable fire starting tool. Reliable power isn't always guaranteed in emergencies. Without power, most of your devices will fail in a few hours and you will be cut off from communication. Then utilizing the power of the sun will be the way forward. The Quadra Pro Solar Power Bank does exactly that. It gives you a dependable source of energy, no matter where you are. This power bank charges for free using 4 high-powered 5.5-watt solar panels, giving you sustainable energy straight from the sun. With an 8,000 milliamp-hour battery capacity, it's powerful enough to charge up to 3 devices at once. Plus, the built-in LED flashlight is perfect for those dark, off-grid nights. Whether you're off the grid or in a blackout, the Quadra Pro Solar Power Bank ensures you're never without power. A knife surely is among the most versatile tools you can use during survival. But sometimes, the situation demands more than just a knife. And in that case, the Veristelica Tava Scama is a must-mention. This versatile heavy-duty machete is perfect for building shelters, chopping firewood, and carving feather sticks. Drawing inspiration from the Scandinavian loku, the Scama is both a tool and a defensive weapon. Its 21st century design would surely impress any Saxon warrior from ye good old days. The slightly curved blade, made from durable carbon steel 80CR V2, boasts a full tang construction and ends with a bare tang head for a wrist strap. The blade, sharpened to 2 different angles, offers a 25-degree edge near the grip for fine work and a 34-degree edge for chopping. With a length of 4, 30 millimeters, and weighing just 25 grams, the Scama is easy to handle. Its molded rubber grip provides a secure hold, making it an essential part of your survival gear list. Thought of uncertainties shouldn't be a barrier when handling survival situations is the most challenging priority in outdoor explorations. There's no room for mistakes. Making a wise choice can make all the difference. That's where the SK1 Mini Edge, built by Ultimate Survival Tips, truly shines. You might wonder why choose this tiny knife? Well, the SK1 Mini Edge may be small, but it's a powerful tool of versatility. As an everyday carry essential, it's designed to handle any situation with ease, offering robust backup options for multiple purposes. Crafted from Swedish Sandvik 14C 28N steel, this blade is not just tough, but also incredibly sharp and corrosion resistant. Its 6.2-inch length and lightweight build make it perfect for daily carry, while its 2.7-inch edge cuts through tasks effortlessly. The handle, which can be easily removed, reveals a hidden compartment for a fire kit or other survival essentials. On the other hand, the extended pommel doubles as a fire steel striker, so you can ignite a blaze in no time. Whether you want to wrap it with paracord for a custom grip or transform it into a spear for wilderness survival, the Mini Edge adapts to your necessities. It comes with versatile sheath options. Choose leather for a classic look or Kydex for modern functionality. The sheath allows for multiple carry positions, ensuring your knife is always within reach. With its rugged build and innovative features, the SK1 Mini Edge is a fine-tuned companion for any survival situation. Staying warm and dry is crucial in dire situations because hypothermia can set in quickly, especially in harsh conditions. That's why having the prepared 4X Mylar emergency poncho in your survival kit is so important. It's designed to keep you alive when the elements are against you. This poncho is made from NASA-engineered Mylar, which is 2x thicker than standard blankets, making it incredibly durable and tear-resistant. It's also built to retain 90% of your body heat, even in the most extreme conditions. The poncho design gives you the mobility you need, while the hooded feature protects your head from critical heat loss, further preventing hypothermia. Moreover, it's waterproof and wind-resistant, so you're covered no matter the weather. The poncho's one feature that stands out is its ability to be turned inside out, showing the reflective side. This increases visibility during search and rescue operations, potentially saving your life. Prepared 4X Emergency Mylar Poncho is tough, versatile, and built to keep you alive when it matters most. For those who value both comfort and functionality in a headlamp, the BioLite Headlamp 800 Pro seems quite that much well fit for unwanted dark tracks or handling campsite jobs easily. This ultra-bright 800 lumen headlamp, designed with BioLite's 3D slim fit construction, integrates electronics directly into the band for a secure, bounce-free fit. With 6 dimmable modes, including red and white settings, complete control over illumination is achieved. The standout Pro feature, Constant Mode, ensures the light remains steady without dimming over time. Additionally, the headlamp features a 4-position tilt front lens, moisture-wicking smart fabric, and easy adjust clips for a balanced, nearly weightless feel. Equipped with a micro USB and run forever cable input, it allows for pass-through plus charging, making it perfect for extended adventures and cold weather use. With an IPX4 weather resistance rating, the BioLite Headlamp 800 is prepared for any condition, ensuring illumination and comfort on any journey.